What if I tell you that you can create beautiful Islamic AI videos in just 5 minutes and even start earning like many successful YouTubers? Today, Islamic content is growing fast, and creators are making thousands just by sharing inspiring stories of Islamic personalities and powerful historical events. But the best part? You don't need expensive software or advanced skills anymore. First, copy the prompt from the description and paste it into Grok AI. It will suggest different Islamic topics for your video. Choose one topic that you like and then give a command to Grok AI. It will provide you with different video duration options. Simply select one according to your preference. After that, Grok AI will generate image prompts based on your selected video duration. Next, give this command. Generate step-by-step motion prompts for all these images, with 8-second video clips each from Flow AI, including stylish camera angles and natural sound effects. This will create motion prompts for your video. For voiceover, give another command. Generate step-by-step voiceover prompts for 8-second video clips in simple and heart-touching English. Then, copy the generated voiceover prompts and use Minimax AI to create and download the voiceover. Finally, import everything into CapCut and combine your video clips, voiceover, transitions, and effects. In just 5 minutes, your professional Islamic AI video will be ready. Now you've seen how simple and powerful this method is with the right guidance. Creating Islamic AI videos becomes fast, easy, and truly impactful. This channel is here to help you grow step by step, so you can build your own Islamic platform and share meaningful content with the world. Remember, even a small effort in spreading knowledge can bring great rewards. Start your own Islamic channel today and turn your creativity into something beneficial for others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support this journey and keep learning more amazing techniques.